we're in Hengqin. This is Ponto. And the interesting thing about this is right over there is Macau. It's really, literally like right over there. There's supermarkets here. And quite a few, there's a live music stage here that's all set up for later. So I think something's going on. Oh, we might just walk down and explore it a little bit. Oh, it's this one. We're gonna check it all out, so stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So the interesting thing about this is they have kind of like Macau-ish titles. And then this is actually kind of Macau-ish too, because it says win. And so, let me see what this is. I don't know. Hello. What is this?
You can recheck and we give
bags.
you a bag.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you have to do the scanning. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. So I guess you have to. I guess it's a promotion for the Wynn Casino, but I don't want to. I don't want to do that right now. Oh, these are like fresh oysters, actually, right there. Okay, we got all kinds of stuff in here. I think this is like a milk shunde. Okay, so actually there's a lot of stuff in here, of course, to explore. And I'm just going to explore a little bit here. There's the front gates right there, and then this is Macau Hengqin Ponto, and then if you can see through that, it says Hengqin Port directly that way. And we got some pretty bright sunshine right here. Jewelry shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Ponto, but at least you can see that they have Mr. Bean Cafe, all these little let me get into the shade a little bit. I think they're setting up for a festival for later. New tea area. So we're gonna go inside. But yeah, this Ponto, I have seen it before and it's very photogenic. And this is gonna be a pretty major spot. I'm almost positive for Macau tourism. So we're gonna head on in. Then once we go inside, there's hello. Once we go inside, there's air conditioning, and then we have a lot of supermarkets and different stuff like that too. I don't know why that goes off every time I go through. It's like a metal detector, but I don't know what it's all about. So you basically have all the shopping in here. And this is all part of Ponto. Okay. So actually, if we go all the way down, then it goes into the, it goes under a big main road, and we'll go all the way down, and then it'll go into Macau. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to do some other footage that I had previously when I was downstairs in the same little space. So I'm going to put that online. And then yeah, basically this is Ponto. And we're going to go outside and just kind of see what we can see out in this direction. Lots of references to Macau bakery. And there's a lot of food. I can see a lot of Macau people would come over here and shop now. Then we got all those all the way down, and basically this is all the Ponto. It goes down that direction as well. And then we have residential apartments. There's some kids hanging out, more kids, and we have all this residential apartments right here too, which is pretty beautiful. Wow. Huh, pretty interesting area. So, okay, so we're gonna end that video right here, and I'll show you the other stuff that's down below as well. Okay, so let's, and I'm with this guy right here. Say hi. All right. And we just came across, so we just basically tried to do a train station one, and we're finding all these other stuff right across the border, which I didn't know was here, including a grocery store. I bet all this stuff is so cheap. You can just go across over here and buy all kinds of stuff. If we, it's harder for a foreigner to go through, but wow. Actually, I might see if I can walk in a little bit with the camera and just kind of see what we can see here. This looks pretty good. Let's so I know I can't have the camera, so we're gonna just briefly let's just see what the prices of raspberries are. You don't have the prices there. There it is right there, 19. So those are 19 for raspberries, 23 for mulberries. Those are about half the price of Macau. It's usually about 45, 50, something like that. These are only $4.50. So yeah, it looks like the supermarket right next to us is way cheaper than Macau. So I should put the camera away. So and here's the meat. Those are the prices. So I think in Macau it would be at least double. Those are actually quite cheap. So you can get all this meat here. Wow, it's like right across the border. Oh, okay. Let's see what hamburger is. Oh my lord. That's like $6.62, $7.39. I pay a lot more in Macau for that. Wow. Dang. Little Pringles test, $9.50. Is that right? Some of these are 24, and some are 9, and some are 9. So I don't know what the difference is between 24 and 90. But Pringles are, looks like they're made in China. So anyways, but these are all 9. So also again, probably like about, here's Doritos as well. We're just gonna check out these Doritos real quick. $5.90 for Doritos. So let me put the camera away again. So we're gonna actually, I'm gonna create a new video where I'm gonna compare those prices in Macau. I'll go into a grocery store and do that. But I'm gonna leave this in this video. And right now everybody's doing their electronic one, so they're just scanning their codes and then they use their WeChat Pay or Alipay, these different ways to pay that are all electronic. And actually I was at the train and I had an issue with that as well. They kind of wanted those things. If I had a card, I don't think I would need. It'd solve a lot of problems for me, basically. So we're gonna try to go up and try to explore more. It says to the plaza. Let's go that way to the plaza. Yeah, the good thing about all of these places right here is they're right next to Macau. So I think they see we have Macau people coming over. Looks like you can buy some pretty fancy stuff here, including these dumplings. So the prices are real good. So since we're in Hengqin, I'm gonna guess that probably everybody here is Macau people coming across, and they'll get a grocery store right there. We're not even out of the, we basically just came through the immigration point, and we're still just exploring directly across from that. It's an oyster place right there. Dang. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. Those dumplings look so good though. I might have to go get those. Oh, there's a pork burger. I think those are the Chinese style ones. Yeah. I kind of want to get those too. But this is the Chinese style pork burger. Japanese cuisine. Tea. So we got all kinds of good stuff here. This is Ninja. It's a restaurant. Let me see. Hot pot. So I think I'm gonna go get those dumplings. So we're gonna head back over there, enjoy those. A lot to explore in Zhuhai. Piece by piece, Hengqin. Okay, so we're gonna be exploring more of Hengqin, but we just had to go get these wonton soups. It looks really fresh. They're making it right back there. They get the menu. So we're gonna enjoy. And I also got one of these as well. So okay, stay tuned for more of Hengqin. Okay, so we just came from downstairs. There's kind of a supermarket, restaurant, but then this is Ponto, Looks like there's another food court right here too. So we're gonna check this out. Looks like we have to go through metal detector. So it looks like everybody's going through it, is doing the metal detector. For what? I don't know. But anyways, so now we're in the shopping area and we're in Ponto. So we're in this area that's right outside of the gate, basically. Let's come on out. We got lots of other people with cameras as well. So I don't know what that's all about. Dang, this looks nice though. Weekend Dopamine, great name. It's all sugar. Weekend Dopamine. Let's check that out real quick. Weekend Dopamine. So that's all ice cream. What a great name. Okay. So let's just kind of walk over this way. It looks like they got, oh, this is interesting, Macau International Culture and Cuisine Festival. And then this is Ponto. There's a wind. There's a, that's in Macau, and there's there's a lot of Macau references everywhere in here. Could easily do a whole video right here. So, okay. Okay, so that's basically this pond, and what I'm going to do next is we're going to meander through, and I want to try to see what I can do and see over that direction among all these other buildings over here. So I'm just going to follow the path, see what we can come up with. Okay. So far it is pretty interesting. Like, those apartments are beautiful. Look at all the windows on those. The windows alone is amazing. And that would be right in front of this pont, which is going to be a major way to get back and forth between Macau. There's supermarkets, there's everything you need. The supermarkets are really cheap. There's more apartments over on this side. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.